Alright, so we're going to be putting beads on the Reborn Baby Doll's hair. It's some pretty colors, y'all. Look at those. Ain't those pretty? And then I got my rubber bands right there. So y'all, let's... She's about to get her hair done first. Let's braid some hair, okay? And this is Reborn Baby Doll Asha. Here we go, girl. Then, what's this? Back there. Alright, princess, that's good. That's good enough, girl. Here, you want your passy? You want your passy, because I don't need you being doing the most, okay? There you go. Wait. The beads is weighing it down, y'all. There you go, mama. Alright. So we're going to do this baby's hair in some slinch braids. And this is water mixed with conditioner. And the other baby's back there, they just chilling. Alright. So we're going to start on the back. Okay, she don't want her passy, y'all. She don't want her passy, okay? We're going to put this on so she don't get her clothes wet. So she cutting up already. Being bad already, okay? Alright, so we're going to get some moisture. You don't want to comb their hair dry. Get some moisture in that head. And then I like using these little clips. Uh-oh. You can get them dollar store for $1. Little clips to move the hair out my way. Okay, we're going to start on the back. And we are going to show you how to do cute little hairstyle for your reborn baby doll or a real kid. It's cute little hairstyles for the reborns. So we're going to start with the back. I should have started with the front. I know I want some hanging in the back. And then we're going to take this and move it out our way. That there. And do I have another clip? I be taking stuff up and downstairs, y'all, so sometimes these look, I don't have too much care for these, but these are more like a hair bow kind of clip. Hold your head down, girl. She's like, okay. Alright, so that's not asleep. Move that out the way. And this out the way. There we go. Then we're going to do a couple of braids going down. There, and then take you about 3 pieces of hair in between these 2 fingers, this finger, and then I grab with these 2 the 3rd piece, taking this hand, grabbing that, and I'm taking these 2 fingers, and then I'm taking the same 2 fingers to grab that hair on the end, taking these 2 fingers, grabbing the hair, and you're just going to keep repeating until you got your French braid. And my comb just fell. All right, you guys. Enjoy.
You can check out her Facebook at Baby Kids Unlimited Reborn Nursery.
That's right. In my Instagram.
If you want to see what she be doing on Instagram, you can go to Baby and Kids Unlimited.
TikTok.
Baby and Kids Unlimited.
Pinterest.
She don't got one. She do not got Pinterest. She do not got one.
Why do you don't think I have a Pinterest?
Because you don't even.
And now, if I show you I got a Pinterest, I want $20.
Why you always
Deducted.
dang, why you always trying to gamble something?
Because you don't believe me.
You always
If I show you I got a Pinterest, I want $20.
You know $20 so you go upstairs and make an email address and the password.
No, you can look and see when I signed up.
I'm not finna do all that. I'm finna keep my little $20. I'm finna go get me some Wendy's.
Cause
and I'm finna make sure they put.
Why? Because you know your mother don't lie.
No, but you don't lie.
No.
You Mom.
Niche.
Mom.
Niche.
Mom.
Niche.
You don't lie.
No. What I lie about?
I ain't even going to expose you.
Whatever.
Bye, y'all.
Bye.
I do, yes.
All right, my woo babies, my woos. See you later. Oh, see you later. Hey, see you later. Oh, see you later. Hey, I will see you later on the next video.